Oh, yeah. I just want to see how this works. Yes. Now I got my dictionary, my telephone book, and then this you and the law. Yeah. Maybe you can't see it. Oh. Now, um, I was just kind of going through my backpack since we have so much time together. Yes. And see this general delivery, Port Angeles, Washington. Yeah. General delivery. Mhm. I just wondered, did you send any documents to General Delivery, Port Angeles, Washington? Mhm. Now, I know you issued this protection order. Yes. And the respondent did not receive actual notice of the hearing. All right. The order was not issued in accordance with the full faith and credit provisions of the VAWA. Yeah. The actual fax date was June 3rd of 2017. Yeah. But then there's this number 33. Yeah. And I just kind of wondered why the evidence known as Exhibit A has an additional number on it. Now, you would think the evidence that's admitted to a court when motioning the court for the dismissal of one of the two criminal complaints, yes, would not have any extemporaneous types of writing on it. Yeah. Could you get me the actual faxes from each and every communication system of all the counties of the United States where a public defender requests from the police department a copy of any document? Yeah. Where you decide to use your super top secret way of doing things. Now, there's got to be a reason why. Oh, now is that a tic tac toe and the number 33? Yes. So it's not a pound sign, it's like XOXO. Oh, you know, it looked like a pound sign, but I think it's more like tic tac toe. Tic tac toe. Now, these X's and O's that are not in this, yes. Exactly who was it that won that game? Because when we were living on Guam, Heidi had bought some Tic Tacs. Yeah. And it was available in the family to tick somebody. It's kind of like a spiritual tick. Let's say you were going to be on them and you were evil. And you thought, well, I'm going to tick the individual and that'll cause them to get very angry. Now, I was the actual tack. Oh, and then there was the toe. Yeah. Well, why don't we go through all 10 toes of every police officer in every police department and said, well, I have to be the toes. This is what it's going to be like every day. Now, it's really tic-tac-toe, 3-3. Why don't you get me all the top secret writing on all the fax documents that PENCOM has faxed for the last 10 years? Yes. And any additional writing that should not actually be on the actual evidence when admitted to court. Poach. Now, I would say Judge Landis. For you to allow the admitting of any evidence where there is anything, emailed, oh my gosh, yes. It looks like that got cut off, didn't it? Oh. Well, let's think about this tic-tac-toe for a second. Page 1, yes. Page 2, right. Page 3, but you emailed 2 3s. Yes. You emailed this 3 and that 3. Actually, you faxed 2 3s. Yeah. Now, when it says 003 of 22 and 003 of 22, yeah. How can the total number of pages be 22 pages when there's 3 pages? You would think it's actually 003 of 23 pages. Now, unless Jack made photocopies intentionally with an additional 003, Jack, you cannot play Super Top Secret Family with the judicial system of the United States. Now, this says, okay, 0014, 2 of 6. Yeah. But this says 0015. Yeah. And this says 0015. Yes. 0016. Oh. 0017. But this is 5 of 22. So how does dispatch, right? Because it's the actual facts. Yeah. You fax these. How did you do this? There's 3-3, tic-tac-toe 3-3. Let's see if we went to 3-3. Yes. And then we went to 3-3. Yes. Now this is somewhat interesting. Let's say that you were communicating something than the actual evidence. Yeah. And you're playing Super Top Secret Family right now. I'd have to sue you for that. Oh. Tic-tac-toe 3-3. There's 2 3s. Yes. 6-3 of 2017 at 8:42. Yeah. 4174909. Fax number of PenCom, Port Angeles, Washington. Yeah. 3 little arrows to Jefferson County Dispatch. Yeah. Now, what's so special about pages 3 and 3? Yeah. Because actually having an additional page really isn't the protection order that was served on me. I'm telling you, I'm going to get you for every fucking lawsuit right now. I'm telling you. I will find every fraud of this court, every fraud of the sheriff's department, every fraud of the police department. I will make sure that every fucking cop in this county goes to prison. Do you understand? I will make sure. Now let's look at both pages of 3-3. Pooch. Since there are 2 pages, 3 and 3, yes. Now, is there any difference between the two? Oh, the petitioners granted custody of the minors named. Yes. You gave custody right now. Listen, you dumb fuckers, right now. Tic-tac-toe, 3-3.